Hello and welcome back. This is Amin, top rated digital marketing specialist. I'm making the complete playlist of e-commerce sales for Google Ads. So in the previous video, I have refined the keyword, downloaded keyword and filtration keyword. So now our main work to review all keyword. Okay, here you can see almost 2000 keyword. Okay, so first of all we have to read keyword. Okay, here you can see Amazon hoodies. Okay, so just like Control H and write Amazon. How much here you find? Okay, just find. Here you can see almost just 1 minute. Control F. Okay, so here you can see lots of keyword. Okay, so you should manually review every keyword, and please click add sheet. This is a new keyword. Okay, so sorry, new page. So if you think this keyword is perfect, boyfriend hoodie. Okay, this keyword is perfect, then please list here. Okay, paste here. Okay, so in this way check all keyword, manually check all keyword and find out which keyword is perfect for you and which is not essential. You need to check manually and understand using your brain. Okay, so you should use your brain. So this is a time consuming, but you will get the best result from campaign. So to get a best result, please follow this method. Okay, thank you so much. Hopefully you understand. So I think you understand how it's work. Thank you so much for watching this video.